How to change your AirDoctor 4000 filter. Step 1. Make sure the unit is turned off and unplugged. With the rear of the unit facing towards you, gently pull the upper end of the filter cover away from the unit and remove it. Step 2. Slide the orange filter lock lever to the right to unlock the filter plate. Step 3. Remove the old Ultra HEPA Carbon/VOC Plus pre-filter. Step 4. Insert your new replacement filter. Be sure to follow the directional arrows and channel. It should easily slide into place. Slide the orange filter lock lever to the left to lock the filter plate. Next, insert the bottom of the filter cover, then align the upper part of the filter cover and snap it back into position. And you're all set. Breathe easier with AirDoctor.